Thirsty workout on the bog, hungry from turf cutting, meal deal chips and cod for dessert and ice cream muffin, fresh never frozen beef